Hey everybody, we are going to be going through the DIY persona today. If you don't know what that stands for, you probably live under a rock, but just in case, it stands for do it yourself. So think about people who, there's two types of people I would say. Someone who's going to call someone if there's a problem, or someone who's going to try and figure it out themselves. Starting with gender, we're 66% female. So shout out to all of us taking projects on like the baddies we are. This stat is probably the most interesting to me here. On this, you can see very strongly in one color here, marital status, and it's single. So if anyone's in the market, I think like clearly you should be going after people who are DIYers. And that can be your new MO to find your significant other. I actually saw this thing. It was a TikTok, so I'm basically just relaying information, and I have no idea if it's backed or not. But it's Gen Z is now leaning into LinkedIn as a dating platform because you can kind of like filter down someone that you're looking for, like basically like income, title, status, things like that. And I don't know, maybe the move is to go hang out at like Lowe's and Home Depot. Highly educated for education, majority have a bachelor's degree or some college level of education. Lower income thresholds, you can see here with the affinity scores, really the bulk is coming from an under, I would just bucket everything under 100 grand. Okay, and the last component here, interest. There's a lot going on here. We're all swinging at like an 8 for over-indexing. You can pause me and read through this. Also, the PDF is going to be linked below. But just to highlight a couple, dogs and cat lovers. We love that. Couple interesting ones. Astrology, I feel like that's pretty unique. And then online poker players as well. And then Pilates, just classic right there. All right, so that's what I got today. If you have a request, you know what to do.